Good morning. I am Warren with HRH Architects. Welcome to our series, Unlocking the Mystery of Development. Today's topic is site analysis and density studies. If you like this series, don't forget to subscribe to future topics. Let's begin and bring up the first slide. Unlocking the Mystery of Development. Site analysis and density studies. Prior to closing on any property for development, it is prudent to do a proper site analysis and density study. Your first step would be to sign an intent to purchase with an out clause. This leaves you with options such as lowering the offering price or walking away should something be discovered during your site investigation. Site purchasing can be a minefield for those new to development. Why? The property may not be suitable for your intended use. Is the property zoned for your intended use, or do you have to apply for rezoning? It's not guaranteed. Do you have utilities accessible to your site necessary for your development? Are the current utilities able to handle your development, or do you have to contribute to enhance them? Can schools support the extra students if you're doing multifamily? What zoning buffers your perimeter? What setbacks will be required for your development? What type of screening will be required between you and your neighbors? Is there a maximum percentage of impervious surface you'll be allowed? Are there easements across the property? There could be bad soils or buried debris. There could be wetlands. So who is this person and why should I believe him? Well, I am a licensed commercial architect with 3 decades of experience. I currently hold licenses in several states, including North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, and Texas. I have the ability to practice in other states as needed as well. I am a LEED AP certified for building design and construction. I have been a director of development and a senior vice president of development. I hold certification for construction quality management for contractors from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and NAPAC. So why am I doing this? I want to impart some lessons to those new developers that may need help. So what do you need in a proper site analysis and density study? First, you need basic known knowledge. Meets and bounds survey, which the seller should supply. An ALTA survey would be best. However, you could hold off the ALTA survey until the architect can show the possibility of the site working. So what do you need in a proper site analysis? Engage an architect early to handle the site analysis. The architect should research and create a drawing with the following: meets and bounds, north arrow and site legend, identify which utilities are accessible to the site, identify jurisdictions including any overlay districts, identify existing zoning and all adjacent zoning, identify new proposed zoning if a change is needed, identify setbacks such as building setbacks, landscape setbacks, and parking setbacks, locate adjacent roads and any known easements, do a density study calculating the possible building size versus parking field, determine the building height for zoning, determine the max FAR or floor area ratio, identify any pervious or impervious surface requirements, and verify any required open space calculations per zoning. If the site is still performing within your requirements and pro forma, you should order an ALTA survey. This survey will provide the architect with topographic of the site along with floodplain, wetlands, easements, etc., which will be needed in the master planning phase. To order a phase 1 environmental assessment. If the property comes back negative, there will be discussions and decisions on a phase 2 environmental. And order initial soil test borings. These borings can reduce the possibility of unknown buried debris and bad soil, but it's not guaranteed. Next steps will be determined by the information learned in this initial density study. We look forward to sharing future videos on unlocking the mystery of development. Today, we're holding a special offer. HRH Architects is offering a 20-minute free phone meeting with a licensed architect. Just email info@hrharchitects.com and we will arrange a call convenient to you. HRH Architects performs site analysis and density studies. Have a great day.